How to apply for the jobs. Okay, so now your data flow got verified. Now you got the eligibility letter after clearing your exams as well. In exams, usually the passing criteria is different for different specialties. For plastic surgeons, the passing percentage is around 70%, not less than that. You have to secure your marks more than 70%. It can vary specialty to specialty, right? You got everything ready. Now it comes how you can apply for the jobs. So first of all, there is a catch. You can apply directly to the hospital websites. Whichever your specialty is, like if you are an onco-surgeon, you are an oncologist, you are a pediatrician, you are a general surgeon, you are a plastic surgeon, you are a dermatologist. So look for the best hospitals, look for the department which has got more of such patient loads where you can work. Go through their official websites. There is a portal called as Careers. Look for the job in it. Sometimes you might find a job vacancy for your specialty. Sometimes when you don't find the job, you might find an email that at least you can submit your resume or CV over there. Once they will get the vacancy, you will get a call or you will get an email like that. So there are, like right now I'm in Abu Dhabi, so there are big hospitals like Cleveland, like my hospital, Shakboot City, you have Burjeel Medical, you have Sheikh Khalifa Medical City. If you go to Dubai, you have Rashid, you have Fatima Bin, you have Dubai London, you have Saudi German, you go to Sharjah, you have Al Sakar Hospital, you go to Fujairah, you have SKMC, you go to Al Ain, you have STMC. All these are the big hospitals. Some are private, some are public. So go through their official websites, apply over there. Then there are recruitment portals, like you have LinkedIn, you have Gulf Jobs, you have Indeed, you have Naukri Gulf. There are some agencies through which you will get your data flow processing done. I'll be making a separate video for how to go through these agencies, which agency to go through and what's the process. So if you got your data flow done through some agencies, take my words, some agencies, they promise you that we will get a job for you, just consider us for your data flow and all. Don't trust them first. They might help you, but there is no guarantee. Okay, so on a pretext of okay, if you can pay us extra, we'll get a for sure job for you, then don't, because it's not sure. Okay, still you can ask for maybe, but most of the time I know these agencies, they can try, but there is no surety. Okay, then now what else you can do is you can do a direct emailing. Like suppose you have your CV, you know me, you can send your CV to me, and if you are a plastic surgeon, then I'll see if I have a vacancy in my department, I can straight away forward your CV through to the HR and recommend you. Similarly, if you have any contacts, if you know some of the head of the department and you met them, you have their personal emails, try to send them. Take my words again, this is the fastest and the easiest way to get hired here. If you know someone here in the department, then try to contact them and try to, I would say rather, go and physically meet them and then see if you can get the job there. One more important catch to get your job here is try to attend some conferences, some CMEs, some symposium, workshops which are being held in Emirates or being held by the Emirates Society of the respected field. Try to attend, try to present something, show your presence, show your talent, and then meet the respected doctors in their field and try to get the contact, and you never know, might work. Now what happens after you get your data flow, your eligibility and your licensing, you got hired, then your hospital will issue a work visa for you, they will issue a medical license for you as well, they will give you a health insurance, and they will issue a residency visa, which is a work visa which is valid for 2 years, and then you will come to UAE, you will have everything ready. But sometimes these days lots of scams are happening online. People, they tell you like, okay, I'm giving you a job, but for that job before you need to send me like 100,000 Indian rupees or 5,000 dirhams or something like that. No, if you are getting a job through a proper channel and it's right and it's official, then there is no such requirement. For sure you will be getting a health insurance from your employer, you will be getting a residency visa from your employer, the employer will be issuing your license, and there will be a proper job offer. Okay, now what else you can do is, if you want to work in UAE, look into their websites, go into specific requirements, what all documents you will be needed to get the licensing. Plus, there is a portal called as Sharian portal in DHA website where you can actually check your eligibility, whether you are eligible to work here or not. So now, if I have to summarize, let's summarize it. First, get your documents verified by data flow, then appear for a UAE licensing exam, either or both, and then apply the job. Once you get the eligibility letter, apply through various portals, emails, CVs, hospital websites. Once you get hired, then you will get your work visa, your license to practice, your residence visa, and your health insurance. It's a step-by-step journey, but if you approach it right way, it's 100% achievable. Thank you for listening to me. Please subscribe my channel if you think that this video helped you. The Vital Diaries. Thank you.